up from thence unto Bethel, and he was going up by the way. There came forth little children out the city and mocked him. And they said unto him, Go up thou, bald head, go up thou, bald head. And he turned back and looked upon them and cursed them in the name of the Lord. And then came forth 2 she-bears out the wood and tear 42 children of them. And he went from thence to Mount Carmel, and he thence returned to Samaria.
Lions do not concern themselves with the opinions of sheep.
Did you break that?
Bro, I'm What the fuck you doing here?
Get him, Blake. Get your leg. Leonard, are you fucking kidding me, man? Jesus Christ.
I don't know where the stink's coming from.
You don't know where the stink's coming from? Probably from all the shit everywhere, you fucking... Holy fuck. I think this place is worse than Jason. Leonard, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm definitely not taking this shit in there. Oh my god.
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
Mother, log off your gambling site and vacate the living room.
Fuck you, bish, I gots to gamble.
I need to do my Godot-centered internet show.
But nobody watches your gay little internet show.
Mother, you leave me no choice. Nobody messes with my gay little internet show.
All right, yeah, what's up? We're back with the gay little internet show. Welcome. All right, so yeah, we're saving some goth girls in Godot 4. I don't know, that was the most clickbaity title you can come up with, but all right, so which fucking animation player is it? We need to make her stop dancing. It's gonna fuck everything up. All right, perfect, wonderful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the game, what we're working with now. I don't like this music. And then we're supposed to have some visuals, but I got tired of looking at them. But anyway, we have an aura meter, aura meter on the left, and we have a slow down mechanic. Ah!
Yeah, let me pause for a second. So yeah, we can do is I have these things called roles, and if we look at like my keyboard and what I'm actually doing, it's like you press like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then space bar. So it's like and you can do it on both keyboards. It's actually really fun to do because you can be like. And then that powers up your meter, so.
Thanks for saving me. Here's my number.
It's actually kind of hard to see the fucking text. I gotta make the text a little bit brighter. But yeah, and then I gotta make
I'm getting the hell out of here.
Pentagrams disappear. Well, yeah, I think it's a fucking
Damn,
fun
that
mechanic.
bad boy smelled good.
Oh, I can't do it. Let's see. Ah! I'm a bad typer. Ah! I'll take him. Ah! Once I get past these guys, sacrifice him to the corn. I'll take him. Ah! But yeah, you can like roll to get more aura. Ah! Well, aura bars on the right and our health is on the left. So when this guy doesn't even fire anything, I don't think he can even hit us. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong fucking buttons. Oh, I can't even read what that says. Ah! With impunity. Oh, ah! I suck at typing. I gotta get past these guys so I can show off the fucking mechanics more. Yeah, almost. Ah! I gotta. Oh, I can't do it. What the hell? I think it's broken. Hold on. Yeah, I can't do them. Interesting. So yeah, if something broke, I bet I'm in the wrong state. Alright, what are these people saying? Hold on. Fucking. What's your love quest looking like Saturday? What are we doing Saturday? Oh, that's the 14th. I don't really have any plans. What about you? What about you, Easy Sleaze? What are you doing Saturday? All right. I don't understand what happened. I gotta do that again. I'll take him. Ah! Hot date with an e-girl? Oh yeah. How much money are you sending her? Living the 21st century dream, yeah.
Thanks for saving me. Here's my number.
Yeah, you can slow it down here too. Which I gotta cut out. You shouldn't be able to slow in the cutscenes, which is stupid.
I'm getting the hell out of here.
I wonder if I'm stuck in the slow state if I run out of
Gothic bad boy smell good.
energy. Sacrifice. Ah! Him to I'll take him. Ah! Can you guys tell it's just my voice pitched up and down? I'm pretty sure you can. I'll take him.
I'll take him.
I'm going to fall for all the romance scams, yeah. Sacrifice. Actually, my plan, I'm gonna go on Tinder and I'm gonna put, don't be alone. I'm gonna go on there and say, don't be alone on Valentine's Day, let me take you out. I think that's a pretty good strategy. Next. Oh my god, what am I doing here? Yeah, so you can like slow down, but you can't roll while you're slowed. So. Hold on. Yeah, and so the idea is like you can do like a right roll, left roll, and then I want to have it so you can do it like the other way. So it's like, you know, like this type of motion, which will error right now. But so you could do like different combos, and it's like it's a lot of fun to do that as you're like moving throughout the stage. You just hit those. And it's like if you do a left and then a right, you get like +5 on your aura bar. Whereas if you just do like a right one, you just get +5 every time. I am not 5'4". I am 5'7". All right. I might be bald, but I have a very handsome face and a very handsome skull. So honestly, I don't even consider that like. I would much rather be bald than be like. You know, have a horrible looking face. You can deal with being bald. Being bald doesn't really matter. It's like that meme, hairstyle girls hate and then hairstyle girls love, and it's just the guy with like the hunter eyes. And it's the exact same hair. Yeah, so that breaks it.
I'll take him.
Oh shit. So yeah, that completely. Oh, I'm in the wrong. I was in the wrong typing spot too. All right. So what do I want to do other than show off my stupid little game that I've made? All right. So we have this guy. We got the blood. It's supposed to emit, but for some reason it's not emitting. I think one shot needs to be taken off. And I think in the code, I like toggle it on and off very quickly. I actually I went to one enemy. If it sounds like there's like, you know, some type of Silent Hill monster moving, it's because there's a train passing by my house. Alright, okay, so you can see my face. I wanted to make sure you can see my wonderful face as we're recording this. Alright. So the blood spray, I'm basically just toggling it off really quickly. I don't know, is that gonna fucking work? I think it should, right? I asked ChatGPT and it said it should work. At least you're not completely gay. Well, hey, thank you for that. Bye at most, yeah. How do you like Godot so far? I struggle a bit with performance when scene becomes complex, mostly in editor. Well, I'm the average Godot enjoyer, so I mean, I like Godot. Sorry, I'm still laughing about that last comment sent by Sleazy there. Yeah, thank you for that. That makes me feel great about myself. Anyway, So let's see. Is this gonna work? Actually work? That's our executioner. And the way I've set this up autistically in level 2. So I have these interaction areas. And that's these like purple things here that you run into, and then these guys will come and attack you, and you can like select what type of enemy they are. So we'll go to this guy, the Plaguer. So he had his blood, but I didn't really see it. What happens when we hit emitting? It's pretty hard to see, but it should work. Yeah, one day he'll be nice to me. Alright, let's just run into some bugs.
I'll take him.
There is no escape. So there's no blood coming from him. Okay, I did want to check that. I'll actually let these guys attack me. They just send out a skull. I gotta fix that. Have you ever released something? No. This would be the first thing I'm trying to release.
Thanks for saving me. Here's my number.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good cutscene. I do need to cancel out the...
I'm getting the hell out of here.
I gotta write some of this shit down. Let me grab a fucking pen. You know what, we'll do it on a notepad. I forgot I could do that. I thought it was gonna take up my whole screen. Let's go... New, and what was it? Plaguer, not displaying blood. When I'm nice to John Doe, it will mean Mossad finally got me. Oh yeah? It'll mean you're on Epstein Island, buddy. Alright, what is it? Okay, you know, I'm trying not to be political here, but I have to because I'm like a fucking political spurg. What are the odds Epstein's still alive? I'm saying 50-50. I think the guy might... I think he's still alive. I think he's probably alive in Israel. I think the whole thing was a sham. I think it was AI-generated pictures. I think they completely fucked us all. I'm calling it, dude. Yeah. Alright. Plaguer, not displaying the blood. What was the other one? Goth girl, scene, pentagrams, need, disappearing. So we can fix that one faster. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that one now and exit out because that's really annoying me. So we go to the eyeball monster, and I just think I need to, when these guys do their animation, these eyeball monsters have an animation. We need to add to turn off all these mesh instances. Yeah, actually there's a lot of them. Shit. He's sipping on margaritas in the Gaza Strip right now. Yeah, 100%. I would 100% believe that. Yeah, where the fuck? Visibility, that's what I'm looking for. We just need to do this. Imported animation cannot be edited. What the fuck are you on? This is not an imported animation. Hold on. Fucking animal. Let's try the other one. Yeah, we're on die. We go to this here. We go to visible. Yes, there we go. All right. Okay. Eyeball monster die. Awesome. So we just need to go here and set all of these in the visible to off. There we go. I should have done this before, but I didn't. Yeah. I made all of these effects with ChatGPT. I feel pretty important, pretty special, pretty intelligent. All right. Yeah, I slept for like 10 hours yesterday. Being unemployed rocks. You know, not having any money sucks, but being unemployed rocks. You know. All right. Let's see, visibility off. There we go. Nice. Cool. And perfect. Now I just have to do the same thing for the other animation player, or I have to duplicate it, one or the other. Let's just fucking, I'm just gonna do it for the other one. I don't give a shit. That was for the right one, right? Yeah, it's that one. We need to go here. How long will the unemployment arc last? I don't fucking know. Oh, are they both the same animation player? Is that... So they both have that now? Perfect. Okay, let's try it. Really, like, I could go and get another CNC job whenever I want, just because I have, like, friends that work at places that always need CNC operators, and I have the skills. So it's like I could just go to work, like, anytime. So I'm pretty much taking the rest of this month off to build this game, and, yeah, I might try and, like, sell this game, make a couple other games and sell them. If we can extend the unemployment arc for a long time by doing these little, like, you know... Ideally, we could become a game developer, but it's probably not going to happen. I'll probably, you know, spend a bunch of time making some stupid fucking games. I'll release a couple of them, not make a whole bunch of money, and then I'll go back to the CNC job. I just had to move because I was, like, driving an hour every day. You know, I was like, damn, I want to work with more sophisticated equipment, and I don't want to drive an hour, so I'm going to leave and go somewhere else. It's the self-employment arc, yeah. Plus, I just didn't feel like I was, like, I don't know, making enough there, and I could make more money as a like industrial CNC operator. So, yeah, it's like a whole bunch of shit. I think that should work though. Let's try that out. I don't think any office would hire me, but I think a lot of, pretty much like any trade company would look at my resume. I actually have to act dumb when I go in there. Otherwise, they're like, this guy's too smart, he's gonna leave. I'll take him. There's, Ah! Ah! Alright. Oh, that's right, I have to let them make the thing.
Thanks for saving me. Here's my number.
It didn't go away, what the fuck? Oh, that's right, because I need to reinstantiate it in the scene. It's not going to bring in the new animations.
I'm getting the hell out of here. Damn, that gothic bad boy smelled good.
Does this guy bleed? Ah! No, there's no blood. I'll take him. Cast the... Ah! Die. Ah! Oh, Sleazy, you'll appreciate this. I was, I'll take him. I was looking up Edgar Allan Poe stories the other day, and Edgar Allan Poe wrote this one about a manlet who, hold on. Where is it? The Tale of Hop Frog? What's on the... I'm actually on the fucking stories. What is it? Oh man, Hop Frog. Yeah. Hold on, let me bring this back. Yeah, we got Hop Frog, a midget seeks revenge. So what happens is a sub-5 male midget is taken prisoner by the king, and they make fun of him a whole bunch. And so he releases a bunch of apes and I guess has them eat the king or something. It's very funny. I remember reading that as a kid because they had a big Edgar Allan Poe stories book. Yeah, but I'm gonna use some of these quotes from the original Goth, Edgar Allan Poe, because he's he's based. But yeah, I thought that was very funny. Anyway, so yeah, let's just start getting rid of a lot of these because we're gonna have to put in new ones. I gotta go to the demon. He's got this mask on him. Looks pretty cool. His model's a little fucked up. I might have to fix that. We gotta change out the blood here because he's got a shitty blood. Basically, your power fantasy about me. Oh yeah. Yeah. What, did I save you from your slavery to the king? He's got you in a cage and he's making you dance for him, and I come in there and I save you. That's the fantasy. I think that's your fantasy, buddy. All right. What are we gonna do here? We need the new blood. Damn, dude, I got stoned before I came on. Now I'm like in an exceptionally good mood. I was pissed off all day. I was just like fucking having a shitty day. All right. There we go. That looks good. Nice. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's go back to level 2. I got to get rid of a lot of the enemies in here and put my new enemies in because they've all been changed so much. So I'm just going to do that probably. These are all fucking old as shit. And I'm just going to go to the first one. They all have the same script, but if I don't like add the new animation player to it, it causes issues. So I don't know if that's just Godot specific. Why is there a long delay between when I send messages and when it appears on your screen? I don't fucking know, man. Aren't you like a network admin or some shit? I'm the average Godot enjoyer, not the average networking enjoyer. By the way, what is so groundbreaking that you have to tell me, by the way, that the few, the fucking 2 or 3 seconds of you, you know, it just, you have to scream it to me so fast, you know, what's the problem with the latency? Is there something behind me that I have to be warned about immediately? All right, you know, it's not a big fucking deal. Okay, we'll try the executioner first, and we're gonna move him to the melee, and then I'll bring him up, and we'll spin him around, and move him into place. All right, there we fucking go. And that little mark on the floor is where he's gonna be moving to. Fucking, I hate Godot sometimes, man. There we go, wonderful, perfect. All right. So that should work right off the bat. Why is there no blood coming from you? Ah! What the fuck, man? Alright, let me try this. We're gonna go to the enemy V2. I wonder if it's because I'm flipping it so fast, so why don't we just do that? We'll just say true, and it should just keep spraying and spraying, and I'll basically just have to make like some type of timer or a timeout or some shit and just make it stop in a second. Yeah, and there is like a countdown there. That's what it's doing. Cut into the index. I think there is some blood showing up. Yeah. Let's see. Let's just look at the fucking... The blood spray should look pretty good. I used a tutorial to make it. So what does it actually fucking look like? If we go here... maybe I shouldn't put the explosiveness on. Maybe I should just do that. Oh, you know what? I think the lifetime is too long. I think that's what the issue is. I think I should put it on like 0.25 and then have emitting. I think that'll work faster, honestly. Let's go like 0.4. And we'll do the explosiveness of 1. So it looks more like that. I think if it shows up like that, I'd be much happier. And then these might be being scaled, which would not be good, but fuck it. Should be fine. Is that going to change on my... I just get fucking... If I make this local and I go to it, is it going to change there? Let's look at the time. Yeah, okay, it did. Okay, awesome. I'm not as dumb as I look. My giant brain pushed all of my hair out, okay? You lose 2 aura when you fail one of the flips. Sack, crit. Okay, yeah, we're getting blood now. And it's just gonna keep hitting it. Ah! Yeah, it's just gonna keep going. I guess he's stuck in that. Well, let me write that down. Executioner stuck in pound chest animation. Oh, we never fixed that one either. We didn't fix anything. Who cares? And all right, let me. So I guess we'll do. I guess we'll just do like a fucking little timer. Why the hell not? I guess we'll do. What is it? Get tree. Create timer. Var timer equals get tree dot create timer, and we just want it like I'm gonna do 0.2, and we'll say can't we say like dot timeout? Yeah, right here, and then we connect the signal, right? Stop blood. Am I using this correctly? Probably not. And then I can do like func stop blood. Yeah, there we go. And all I have to do is just say blood spray dot emitting is false after like 2 seconds, and I think that'll do it. Oh, okay, no, you can't do that. Call out, call is a function, but is a signal. Okay, yeah. Yeah, don't we do maybe timer dot timeout? Hold on, let me just look up the fucking timer. Where's the? I know I've used it before. I've done this. Get tree dot create. I think it's create timer, right? You fucking piece of shit. Create timer. There we go. Okay. How do I set it to? Whatever. Let's just do this. It's actually not going to work. Hold on. Let me ask ChatGPT real quick. He'll fucking know. He'll fucking know. I was looking up all these memes of Edgar Allan Poe. All right. All right, we're gonna take my retard code right here. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and paste it. This is how you do software development in 2026. Okay, you're gonna paste it in right here, and you're gonna say, "It doesn't work. Fix it." Okay. No, I'm just kidding. How do I make the scene tree timer be working on the function stopping that blood and shit? Bam. Oh, there we go. Thank you. There we go. This is how a true coder does it. Even cleaner one-liner version. Oh, thank you. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. It's not working. What are you talking about? Expected indented block. I thought I could do that. Do I have to do this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that should work. That's not bad. I don't mind that. I got nothing to fight, so let me check something really quickly. All right. Sorry. Okay. What am I gonna do now? So using my superior brain power, we fixed that. Let's go fix something else. Oh yeah, he was stuck in the chest pound animation. Let's go figure that shit out. works. But then he gets stuck. So let's take a look. What we're doing is he should be of type 2. So if we come down to I just gotta go to my animation player. My wonderfully coded animation player here should be one of these. Alright, let me just see what animation we're actually fucking playing. So if we're in the taunt, we should be doing taunt angry. So let me bring that down. We're animation driven. So we should be going back to the start attack. I wonder if I looped it somehow. Let's go taunt angry. It is looped. Okay, that would make sense. What do you mean I can't change? It's not fucking. I know 100% of this animation. You fucking piece of shit. All right. Executioner. All right. Well, let's go to the taunt angry. There we go. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Keeps saying it's imported, but it's not imported. So now we should be good, and it should continue to beat us. Ah! He's still doing it. What the fuck? Oh, that's right, because we made the other scene local, motherfucker. Alright. I have to go to this one and do the exact same thing. No, I don't. What the fuck? There we go. We gotta go over here. Yeah, I'm trying to get a build together that people can play by the end of this week. Well, not by the end of this week, but by like Monday. Just because it'll be cool. It'll be fun. Alright. Let's run the fucking thing.
I'll take him.
Ah!
God hits you as I do.
Ah!
God hits you as I do.
Yeah, that's what he's supposed to do.
God hits you as I do.
Ah!
God hits you as I do.
Alright, so let's flip this variable. Let's go to melee, and that was the one that was fucking up, so we're gonna try that again. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Okay, now it's working. Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't work, and then sometimes it does not update the animation player. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck is going on there. But yeah, it works now. So, all right, we fixed that one. Let's go ahead and Plague or Blood not displaying. Okay, we fixed that. Executioner stuck in pound chest animation. We fixed that. So I gotta add more enemies, and I can handle more than one enemy in some scenarios, but for right now, I think I'm just doing one enemy per interaction area. That'll be easier for this test. Yeah, so let's add a plaguer. Where's the other one? The demon. Let's actually add a demon out here. So I'm gonna do some stuff here. Transform. Whoops. So I'm just gonna bring this up. Bring that shit right there. So the purple square is like where we actually interact with a thing, and then the you know, the demon will run to where that marker is right there. So we can put him like that. And I'm going to switch him to spell, so he should cast spells at us. He's got a Kabbalah ready to attack us with. And yeah. And I'll bring in, let's see if this guy still works. I have a sea worm. I can't remember if I updated him to actually work with the new animations, but I did IK bone with him. I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. Shit, that is not what I meant to do. This one is like really big. We're gonna have to shrink it down. Yeah, I don't know. We'll leave it that huge. We'll see what happens. And then we had that look to. Oh damn! Which interaction area is that? How am I going to explain all the random levels and monsters in the plot? Well, I mean, these sea worms fit in pretty good in the cult area. So, I mean, we can definitely do a bunch of the cultists summoning the sea worms. This guy fits in good with the cult shit. All the other sea enemies that I made kind of sucked anyway, so we'll probably just get rid of those. As far as the snow level, we can do a snow cult compound. Yeah, I just don't believe... I don't know. I really didn't like the direction of having everything so spread out. I like it more this way, where it's got like kind of a central theme of killing these cult members. And, you know... because I can make more models like this and have them do different things. I was going to have guys on like this bridge throwing bottles at you. That'd be pretty good to do. I'm actually probably going to move it like maybe 2 or 3 feet forward so that you can actually see the guys who are throwing at you. The western level will never see the light of day. You know. Yeah, probably not. I don't know. Alright. So I need to fix this shit. Let's go back. Where is this thing? Which fucking one is it? Alright, so that's that interaction area. I'm actually just going to delete some of these. It's much easier when you're doing it from the start. I don't need all these right now. Let me just get the demon, because we got to go through and debug all these fucking things. Alright, so we got that enemy, we got the demon right there. Let's just, I'm going to go to this one and Control D and move it over like that. And I'll use this to go up on top. Well, I can't see anything on that one. I should probably adjust it. We'll spin it around and just have this guy right here. For right now, I gotta test him. Alright. There we go. We'll do one demon. This one's going to be... let's just do melee on him and see if those work. Okay. Great. Oh my god. Viewport, one viewport. Godot is great until you have to, like... What sucks is, like, I just don't understand why I'm, like, right here, and I rotate, like, just a little bit, and it's, like, rotated around... Like, what fucking axis is it rotated around? It's like, oh, I pick this point over here on the fucking map, and then I'll rotate everything around that. And it's like, why not rotate everything around the center of the fucking screen? Insane. I don't know how this feels so bad and we're on 4.6. Get it together, Godot. Alright. Yeah, so I have one of them. I need to do this. If I go to my script and I go to my game manager, I need to check what we're actually colliding with and make sure it's the player. That way we don't just go into the fight situation all the fucking time. Blender has similar... Blender is much better about it, though. Blender, I don't have that problem nearly as much as Godot. Okay, so... On encounter started, .bind, alright. Okay, so yeah, we do need to go here on the player, on the enemy script, actually. Control F. Oh, you know what? I think it's actually on the player, probably. Let's go to the player. Control F. Encounter. Start encounter. What are we actually hooking it up to on the game manager? On encounter started. Yeah. The fuck is our fucking player? Oh my god. Of course. So I'm trying to figure out how I can scan what fucking things we're gonna scan. Alright, let me do it this way. Fucking level 2. We'll go to the interaction areas. This is the way it should be done. We'll go to the collision, and we need to actually make some layers so we only hit the player. Where the fuck is it? Project settings. It's not that. I can't remember where the fuck it is. Did they change it? I think they did change it. That's not what I want. General. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool. Layer names. I think it's 3D physics. There we go. So let's do. Let's just do like player. Player. Enemy. Encounter area. I think those are the two that we're gonna need. Player and enemy encounter area. Fuck it. For right now, so we are the enemy encounter area, and we are looking for the player. And cool. So, Jesus. Let me go to this fucking scene. There we go. And then we got to go to the player. Where's our area 3D? Let's go to our collision. We are the player, and we're only going to interact with that. The enemy encounter area. Alright, so yeah, let's go back and add in more interaction areas now. Cool. Let's put that there. And I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to add a probably a node 3D. And I'm just going to call this encounters. And we'll put this shit into here. And then this one we'll put under there. We're going to call this 1. It is much easier if you do these like in chronological order. And I need to add a look to. And a collision shape. Box, make it purple. I probably should make this, I gotta make this like better in the future. I gotta make this a class so I can just like instantiate it and it already has all that shit in there. We should already do that probably. And then we'll add the fucking, let's add the plaguer. And I'm gonna go here and transform to 0, perfect. Let's just grab this and move it. Right here, and we'll take the plaguer and yeah, see like that rotation, and then I have to zoom all the way out and come all the way back in. It's just super fucking annoying. And it's like, it doesn't matter it doesn't matter what fucking level you are in the editor. It's like you could be like right there up to it, and you could be like 10,000 miles away, and you can never get to the actual like spot you're trying to get to. The Godot has massive scaling issues, I feel like. Alright, and so that will work. Cool. Let's try that. This guy should be a zombie. This executioner should be a melee. Perfect. So we'll just... we'll run that shit. And make sure we collide.
I'll take him.
What the fuck are we colliding with? That is so fucking annoying.
I'll take him.
How is it colliding with the fucking player? But it seems to up the productivity. Yeah, well, I mean, you know, every job I've ever been at, I've probably been at least somewhat stoned, so I don't understand how anyone's expected to work without coffee and marijuana. It's like a fucking asking somebody from my region of the world to work without coffee and marijuana is like a fucking crime. So we're the reason that it's going into some type of fight is it's saying that this is hitting something. Like, we're already activating the area for whatever reason. I just don't understand what it would be possibly colliding with. Because we have that collision shape out there. Let me just delete this one. We'll see if it's just if this guy is the one colliding. So it was that guy. What the fuck? Alright, so are we going to interact down here? So my collision layers are correct. I don't know what was going on there. I honestly think I've... Oh, now I can't do any rolls. Interesting. That was weird. I think if I run it all the way to 0, it fucks up the system, and then I can't use it anymore. I'm gonna try it right now, just run it all the way out. Huh. Seems to work fine. I think it only does it if I run it all the way down in a battle. I'm gonna write that down because I think that I've seen that happen a couple times. If I run the aura meter all the way down when in combat, I can't spin anymore. I think. Let me do that. So cool. Alright, now that I'm done spurging out, we can grab this. I'm going to get rid of the Executioner, and I'm going to add the Plaguer. And we should see him move. I don't know what it was colliding with. I'm still trying to figure that out. I will say the one thing I do like about Godot is the ability to move around in first person. Alright, so I'm moving the whole interaction area. Now I just want to move the Plaguer up there. And we'll spin him around. I don't know, it doesn't really matter where we put him right now. That'll be fine. Did you catch Casey's PlayStation stream today? I did, yeah. I watched a lot of it. Dude, those games did not look very good. Like the anime games, and there was that one where you had the lolly strapped to your back, and I was like, yeah, this is like peak Japanesey right here. You're like some guy in a mech suit, and you have like some like 12-year-old girl strapped to your back, and she's like, "Oh, Oni-san, you carry me around town." It's just like, dude, what the? No, Japan, you can't do that. I'm putting my foot down. Sorry.
I'll take him.
Okay, so we can adjust where we look at
Die.
by moving the look to. So I just need to do this.
Die. Choose I do.
Where's it at?
Die. Choose I do.
I'm gonna move it over here.
Choose I do.
Bring it up.
Die. Choose I do.
That was the fucking.
Die. Choose I do.
Oh, here it is.
Die. Choose I do.
Yeah, there we go. So I just need to move it a little bit more. Sorry, it's very hard to see. I'm looking at the other screen.
Die. Choose I do. Die. Choose I do.
So yeah, I can do it that way.
Choose I do.
There we go.
Die. Choose I do.
We have to run it all the way down. I'll figure that out later. Yeah, And then every single game there was the Silent Hill where you can play as the black hipster, and I'm like, yeah, I guess I'll skip that one. Okay, I'm not gonna play that one. And there's like there's like 10 games where you play as like a tough girl, and it's like, dude, I don't want to play as a tough girl. Sorry, I want to play as like a fucking man. You know, like I just don't want to play as like a teenage girl. Like how I don't, and like every fucking game studio is like, oh damn, yeah, let's do that. And then the Silent Hill that I saw where it had like there was like a billboard on there near a monument that said like, this is our town, and it had like vague political things in there, and I was like, oh no, not Silent Hill. You know, I was like, they're gonna fucking ruin it. It's gonna be fucking awful. I'm calling it right now. The next Silent Hill is gonna be like just a fucking catastrophe. Just looking at like how it looks now. The Resident Evil looked okay. I mean, it's pretty much just another Resident Evil 4. That's probably why I like it. I mean, it's got Leon, and then you got a girl. You know, so Leon's probably going to be saving her or whatever, which is like, it's just Resident Evil 4 again, but like, that's fine. Why? To zoom further. See, like, that's the thing I don't understand, is like, I'm not zoomed out that far. Alright, there we walk in. For fuck's sake. It was easier to move around in Morrowind. Alright. Yeah, I mean, really. It's like there's always like a super butch, like lesbian, like person you gotta play as, and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to play as this person. Or the art style where everything is like super bright, like everything looks like Overwatch or whatever. I really hate that shit too, and it's like saturated into every gaming sphere. You know, really does feel like baby's first video game. The Castlevania shit looked really fucking awful. Honestly, the best game, I don't even like Star Wars, but the pod racing game actually looked pretty playable, just because it looked like a fun racing game that you could play with like your friends when you're drunk or whatever, or stoned. That one looked playable, but the fact that it's Star Wars probably means it's gonna have like a bunch of really like gay shit in it. I don't like the Borderlands Toon style of games, but it's leagues above realism slop. Yeah, realism looks really bad, but I think the Borderlands is really bad too. I can't even play Borderlands. My brother really liked Borderlands, but I'm just like, it's too much to look at. Alright, let's try this. I think we should be able to fight the worm.
I'll take him. Ah!
Yeah. Oh no.
Ah!
Where's our prompt?
Ah! Ah!
Sorry, I had to move our thing over. So if I run it all the way out out during this battle, I think we can't use it again. What the fuck? Still works. Yeah, dude, I really hate the writing of like most modern video games where it's like, oh, mega global corporation bad? And it's just like, holy shit, dude. Like, you know, it's just like the most mind-numbing fucking retarded shit ever, where it's like Piper. Piper from Fallout 4 is like the exact example of like everything I hate about video games. Every time I play Fallout 4, I immediately just go to that town and blow Piper's fucking head off with the double-barrel shotgun. Just boogoosh! And then I'm just like, it's time to team up with the corrupt mayor and actually have a fun playthrough. That's the best part of that fucking game. Yeah. Alright, so my enemies somewhat work. I do like the way that the worm works. Alright, we gotta try the spellcaster guy. Alright. Alright. Let's move this over. Let's not use the worm. And let's throw in the, what was it, the demon. I think there's an issue with the demon that if you cast your spell, if he's able to make it to his Kabbalah and cast his spell, then it sometimes like fucks it up our enemy progression. And I like get stuck. Let me move this back. I want it to be here. We'll put that right there, and we'll have the demon. Just be like right here. It doesn't fucking matter. Cool. So we gotta put him on spell. That way he just cast spells at us, and let's just move the whole area back right there. Perfect. Eventually, I'm gonna have him come out of the porta potty. I think that'll be funny. I was looking on Make Human. There's like a bathrobe, so I might have one of them come out of the stall in a bathrobe. I think that would be funny. It's kind of stupid. Alright, let's run that all the way through.
Ah! I'll take him. Ah! Ah!
He's still got the old blood too. Okay, yeah, it does work. He does cast spells. I don't think they do any damage to me though. I gotta move his look too. seems to be working pretty well. It actually is really fun to do. I think it's I need to do like less. It should like give you less each time. It should give you like 2. I think I'm adding 5 each time now. We need to do like 2 each time. 2 points of aura is what I mean. So you're only gaining like less per flip. I recorded that with my own revolver. It was a judge. But it sounds pretty good. Probably wasn't good for the gun to keep doing and spinning it like that manually. Revolving revolvers, revolving, revolving. I love that meme of it's just Ocelot saying revolver. Yeah, it is a super fun mechanic. I'm gonna make it so you can roll it both ways, like back and down, then it'll flip it the other way. And it'll do like, it's gonna be like +1, +1, +1, +1. It'll be a lot of fun. People are gonna love that shit, I think. Yeah. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get going for tonight. I just wanted to show off my stupid little video game that I'm making. But yeah, peace out, everyone. I'm gonna get out of here for now. Later, y'all. It teens Tony Hawk trick multiplier mechanics. Yeah, basically. I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking, but like, you know, not so fucking extreme. You know, it's gonna have a ska aesthetic. It's gonna be ska like 2002, dude. Here I go again, doing everything I can. Damn.